Hi there, I'm very happy to see you watching another video. This is Miss Vero. Welcome everybody, and